All right, once the enclosures have been added to each one of the sections, into the lower section I placed a terry cloth towel that covers the neoprene cushion on the bottom so it doesn't make contact directly with the guitar bodies. I've seen high humidity environments where neoprene will stick to a guitar finish, and we want to avoid that. The neck support cushions are also covered in a protective fabric for the same reason. So we don't want anything touching the instrument that might cause damage. After that's in place, then we can put in the weather stripping. It will go between the magnets on the upper rail of the lower section. And the idea here is you want to make sure that there's no air leaking into the enclosure. And so this is a fairly thick weather stripping. As you can see, it's tacky on one side. You'll place it on the edge of the magnet. You'll run it across the top of the rail and cut it to length. I generally cut it a little long because it tends to retract a bit after you cut it. So you can cut it a little long and then just trim it as you need to. Put it on all four of the rails, and that will give us the seal that's very important in order to make the music tent work properly. In the next step, I'll show you how to put in the reservoir and the hygrometer.